Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, KGFL Creations. Today is going to be a Think Pink box opening. Yes, Beyond the Pink Door, Think Pink subscription, not subscription, subscription. It arrived, when did it arrive? Arrived last Thursday. Yes, and today is Sunday. I'm recording a little bit early. This video will post on Tuesday, so let's get into it. Let's open this box. I don't think the box is smushed. My other one was a little bit damaged from the mail, but this one I don't think it is. I'll put my scissors back here. Ooh, it's one of the bigger boxes. Yeah, it's one of the bigger boxes. Nice. I have been saving these boxes. One box, I think it's one of the bigger ones. I put all of my zippers, my continuous zippers that I purchased from Amazon. So I organized them all in there with the, so I have them all nicely organized. Another smaller box, I put all of the jeans buttons, a bunch of little things that I had hanging around, going around, so I put them all in those one boxes. So these boxes are really, really good for storage, so you should keep your boxes. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. Oh, look, this is so pretty. Look at this pink little wrapper. Isn't that so pretty? Wow. Okay, let's see. Oh, look, a little cup. It's a coffee cup. Let me put my glasses so I can see this. Beyond the Pink Door. Beyond the Pink Door. You can see that. Oh, very nice. Nice coffee mug. Wow, this is good. I do like this. Nice. Now let's see if I can get into this without ripping it. No, I ripped it already. There's no way around it. Let's see, I want to pull, first I want to pull the card. It says Floral Fest. It's a nice little card. I hope you can see it. Because of my lights here. I have the window open, but I didn't think it was enough light, so I had to turn on my lights. Yes, it does say this is subscription box number 26. This month contains 2.5 meters of fabric, and there are 4 colorways. Wow, 4 colorways. I already received a message from Vicky. It's another YouTuber, and she wrote to me if I didn't like the color of the fabric from this box, she was looking for a trade. So we'll see, Vicky, if I like the color or not. I will let you know. Okay, now let's see what's in here. Oh, it's a light pink color thread. Very light pink. There's also a zipper. It's not an invisible, no, it's just a regular zipper. So, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe she wants us to do like a dress or something. Put this in the back. Wow. There's also Barry's Tea Focus. It's a tea bag. Apple, hibiscus, spearmint, and ginseng. Very nice. Little tea bag. All right, and the fabric. Wow. It has lots of pink little flowers, pink and purple. And it seems to be a cotton. It's very light. Very, very pretty. Let's see. I think it feels like it's it's not like a lawn, but it's not as thick as a regular quilting cotton. It's very nice and drapey. Look at this. Very, very nice and drapey. Very, very pretty. I am going to look at the little card. I'm going to scan the QR code in the back, and I'm going to see the other colors to see if I like them better than this one. This is really, really pretty. I do like it. But as always, I prefer something in blue. So we'll see. I'll be right back. All right, so I just watched. I still have my iPad here. I just watched the video this week that is in the little ebook magazine, and it was Haley from the channel The Hay Meadow. She is an Australian, and she did say that this designer, I believe she's also an Australian lady. She did say this is 100% cotton, but she did say cotton poplin. So I don't know, I never sewn anything with poplin. I don't even think I have ever purchased poplin before, but it is, like I said before, this is not the regular cotton that is quilting cotton, and it's very flowy. See here, very flowy, and so pretty. I feel much better with this box than last month's box, which I feel like it came in together because I just came back from my vacation and I had one box here waiting for me. So I opened one box and now I have this other box. So it's kind of like two boxes in 1 month. But I feel much better with this fabric. Very, very spring-like. All of these flowers. We're getting into spring, so I'll be sewing something with this. I did see the other colors. The other colors are very, very pretty. There is one with a little bit of a blue on the background. Instead of this green here, it's the blue. So pretty, but this one is also very pretty. There's one that's a bit more on the purple side, another one that it's a little bit darker green than this one here, but this one is very, very pretty. So I'm very, very happy with this box. Let me give you an update on what I'm going to do with the box from last month, which was box number 25. This here is box number 26. Box number 25 was the corduroy that I received, the light background color with the little, I said it was like a halfway flower. It seems to me like a halfway flower. Somebody told me on the sewing circle, we meet every Saturday to talk about what we're doing, what we're sewing and everything, and talk about life. We talk about a bunch of stuff. And she said, oh, it looks like a croissant. So that was interesting, looking like a croissant. But for me, it does look like a halfway flower. So I decided to do a jacket. So I'm going to do kind of like a denim jacket, and I think we're going to get together. I think we're going to start at the end of April. Carol from Polly Sews. She wants to do like a weekly get together so we can sew a denim jacket. I think I am going to purchase the itch to stitch if it's still on sale. I have to see if it's still on sale. I'll purchase that, and I think I'm going to make that because that comes in cup sizes. I did make the Mimi G, I don't remember which number that was, for my daughter. That came out pretty good, but that's a unisex pattern, so I had to do a lot of adjustments to that one. So hopefully the one from itch to stitch, if it's still on sale, if I purchase that one, I'll be making that one. So yeah, I'll be using that corduroy for a denim type jacket, but it will be for the fall season, fall and winter, well, pretty much winter here. It doesn't get very cold here, so that will be just enough for the winter time. And the sun is coming in through the window now. It's a pretty day here today. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to share with you the fabric that came in box number 26. This pretty fabric here with the nylon zipper, the thread. I think you can see the thread, and the one tea bag, and the best of all is this one cup here. I will be using this cup. I think I will use this cup here in the sewing room because my husband always complains that I always take my water and I put it right here next to, I have a plug right here where I plug everything, all my electronics, my phone gets plugged in, a bunch of stuff it's plugged in. He's always complaining that my stuff is always open, my water here, and he's like, you're gonna get something on your all this electronic stuff on your on this plug. And so yeah, now I have something that is covered that I can use here in the sewing room. So thank you, Andrea, for another great box. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.